Busy. Where are we going, Karishma?
We're going to Ivanka's school. We're going to Ivanka's school.
Alright. See you guys in the car.
Hi everyone. I hope everyone's doing okay.
Hello. The busy life is on. So Karishma, why don't you tell them what are we going to the school for?
Yeah, so today we're going to Ivanka's school because while school has started and it's completely 100% remote instruction, we did some bit of, you know, the stationery shopping and school supplies shopping on our end, but obviously there are those key textbooks, etc., which the school provides. So today we're just going in and picking those school materials up. So far over the last couple of weeks they've been using online books and e-learning portals, which are great, but it's, I think, being old school, I love the feeling of a textbook in front of me. So we're going to pick this up right now.
Yeah, so Karishma, it's been a couple of weeks now. I know you've been more into with Ivanka and Darren. Why don't you tell all our friends in India, like, and all over, how's it been the first 2 weeks of school, online school? What have been the challenges, the pros, the cons?
I've always said I think the kids are very resilient and all our children are super tech savvy. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I think the generational gap is kind of kicking in. So I honestly feel like they've really taken to this online instruction fairly well, and even the I honestly feel like the teachers also have been super organized. They have their Google Meets, they have the Google Classroom set up, all the materials are in there, and I've been pretty happy with the way the kids have been organized, with the way the teachers and the staff have been organized as well. The key challenge is essentially, in my view, still is that the children are not really co-located with each other, right? So that bit of social networking or social connect is missing, but otherwise, I again, you know, safety first.
So my personal opinion observing Ivanka and Darren is that at times they switch off because there's no teacher in front of you to monitor. So kids being kids, they will look around, they will look at their phone, they will get distracted. I mean, we keep telling them not to, but then we can't be on their case for 8 hours a day every day, and we feel bad. Alright guys, Karishma's gone to the middle school to pick up those supplies for Ivanka for her 5th grade. And look at the middle school, it's beautiful. That is the whole school building, and this is all the ground over here. I don't want to go out because they may not like me vlogging over here, but I'll just show you from outside with the window open. The school is so awesome. So it's a pretty well built new school. It's extremely high tech, but guess what, the kids can't go to the school, they're sitting at home, right? Anyways, safety first. That was quick.
Yeah.
What was it exactly?
No, we just had to pick up the textbooks, so it was one by one you had to enter.
How was it? Organized?
Super organized.
So these are what, her textbooks?
Yeah.
Let me look. Bob Bouye. What are these? Social studies?
Social studies, math, science, the usual subjects.
Oh, that was quick. I thought I'll be sitting in the car for half an hour.
Yeah.
Okay, we're just leaving the middle school and we got the books that we had to and the supplies. Another thing I wanted to share was we are going for our flu shots. Now every year in the US we do something called the flu shots, which obviously is probably available all over the world, but we do it in the US as well. So we're doing the kids flu shots on Tuesday, and then Karishma and I will make an appointment for our doctor as well. So we're hoping with the flu shots it'll also curtail any virus or flu or whatever, so we don't get sick at least. So it's important to do the flu shots every September or October. We finally had to take the decision about the school. So Karishma, you filled the survey up, right?
Yeah, it was a pretty simple survey, and we just had two options. One was whether we want our child to have 100% remote instruction, or the hybrid model where they go in and out. So we obviously for now have chosen the option of complete 100% remote instruction, and we submitted that preference earlier today.
Yeah, so we didn't take any chances, as we made a video few weeks ago. You would have seen that we are given a choice in the school year of hybrid, where a few kids will be in a class in different shifts or whatever, and then later you can also pick to just do the school remote. It's a new house being built here, very pretty. These are all the lanes of Fort Lee, which I keep showing you guys because it's so pretty over here. Nice big houses, and couple of big houses here too, and over here as well. Huge bungalow kind style houses, at least $2 million for sure for a big house like that. But it's actually, if I compare, it's like Amitabh Bachchan's bungalow in Juhu, right, which probably costs 50 or 75 crores, not sure. But for here, this size, same size as that kind of bungalow, is $2 million, which is what, 15 crores. So 15 crores is a lot of money, but then you're getting a huge bungalow like that. So the BMW R18 bike video has crossed 7,500 views already, I think. What was amazing is that I think half of the views were from other countries other than US and India, which was amazing. So it was a total global video. We got views from all over. So Karishma, that was a new bike I reviewed of BMW.
Yeah, that was something really
I showed you the picture, right?
Yeah, for sure.
So it was launched all over the globe, the R18, and if you guys haven't seen that video, please go on my channel. It was just posted about 4 or 5 videos ago. And yeah, we are about to reach home. I was happy that I could bring the camera out for this short trip, otherwise probably no chance of posting a video today. So we are just heading into our parking, and let me show you how we get into the parking over here. So we've got a parking key fob, okay, otherwise anyone will enter our parking, and then as your car or bike comes near the garage, you just press this and the door opens. So it's pretty cool. And Karishma, we need to make a 1-year review video of the Merc.
Yes, I'm looking forward to it. I love this car.
Yeah, so
We have said a bunch of times before.
Karishma prefers this car to the Tesla. I honestly feel she does. I'm not sure, but yeah, we need to make the 1-year review of the Mercedes GLE, which we both personally feel is the best 7-seater SUV out there, for the price, for the size, for the quality you get with the Mercedes. I know the light must be dark here because we are in our parking garage, so we'll just park the car, but we'll make this video very soon about the car. So
that's the Mercedes talking back to you.
yeah, whenever you say the Mercedes words, she'll start responding. So this is how we park the car. I know I've shared it many times. These two are our car's parking spots, and this is where I park the BMW. I'm just sharing it for many new subscribers who've joined the channel. So we've got the blue Tesla and the grey silver Mercedes GLE 350, and we also have a bird's nest over here in our parking. So this is one of our neighbors, Range Rover, Land Rover, Range Rover Sport. And yeah, we need to make a review of this car very soon, 1 year review. We haven't driven that many miles because obviously we have two cars, and 6 months nearly has been the lockdown. So yeah, but still we're going to make a review which we will do very soon. Okay guys, signing out, heading back home. Thank you for joining. Karishma, we need to do the Mercedes review soon.
It's on for sure.
Alright guys, take care.
Take care.
Have a lovely weekend. Bye.
Cheers, folks.